Wow, what a cozy cabin! Let's explore! Welcome to ABC Cozy Cabin with Luno and Tria.
A is for armchair. Armchairs are soft and comfy.
B is for blanket. Blankets keep us warm.
F is for fireplace. Fireplaces keep us cozy.
H is for hot drink. Warm drinks feel nice in winter.
G is for gloves. Gloves keep hands warm outside.
Wow, what a cozy cabin! Let's explore! Welcome to ABC Cozy Cabin with Luno and Tria.
I is for indoor plant. Plants grow inside the cabin.
J is for journal. We write cozy memories. K is for kettle. Kettles heat water for tea. E is for evergreen. Evergreen trees stay green. Q is for quilt. Quilts keep us extra warm. L is for lantern. Lanterns give soft light. M is for mug. Mugs hold warm drinks. R is for rug.
Rugs feel soft under our feet.
N is for night lamp. Night lamps glow gently.
O is for ottoman. Ottomans are comfy footrests.
P is for pillow. Pillows are soft and comfy.
S is for slippers. Slippers keep feet cozy.
T is for table. Tables hold our treats. Let's set it up. Yay, snacks for us. U is for umbrella stand. It keeps umbrellas tidy.
V is for view. The snowy view looks beautiful. W is for wool socks. Wool keeps us warm. X is for xylophone. Xylophones make happy sounds.
Y is for yarn. Yarn is used for knitting. Let's roll the yarn balls to the basket.
Z is for zipper pajamas.
They're soft for bedtime.
Thanks for visiting ABC Cozy Cabin with Luno and Tria. Subscribe, like, and share for more ABC adventures.